Good morning. It is November 30th, which means by the time I post this, it will be December 1st, aka day one of Vlogmas. I'm starting on Thursday instead of starting tomorrow. One, because it's my first day and I kind of want to ease into it. But in my head, Vlogmas is a countdown to Christmas, so you need to start posting on the 1st and not the 2nd. I just left Semper Laser Hair Removal. I had a consultation yesterday and I went back to sign up. I needed to sleep on a little bit, but I do think it's going to be a good thing for me. I tried laser, hold on, coming. I've tried laser hair removal in the past, but I didn't stick with it because I really didn't like the shaving and I didn't like the results I was seeing. My areas were getting darker than I thought they would. The process wasn't going the way that it was supposed to be, so I stopped. So I just thought, let's give it a try. They were having a 70% off sale, which, duh. So I went ahead and did it. I'm doing underarm, full Brazilian, and also my face, so whatever area I want to choose for my face. So that should be interesting. I officially start Monday, so you'll see that there. But there is a little gift bag that they give you that has like a hair tie, opening these together, a little exfoliation glove, which you're supposed to exfoliate, you know, in general. A little stress ball, because for some people laser can be painful, and for me, I know laser is not the most enjoyable experience. And then some glasses. I'm not sure if you're supposed to wear these during your treatment or if these are just like glasses that you can just wear. And then there's like mints, a mini nail file, and then confetti. But this was really nice considering the amount of money you spend. I love a free gift. Fallon is who helped me. She's the director at the Maitland location here in Orlando. They have 2 locations in Orlando, and the studio is really nice. It's airy, it's clean, it's bright. Everyone is really, really friendly, and it's just in a really nice location and area, and I'm really excited for it actually. Since I'm in this area, I got some breakfast at Grain and Berry, which is, they do like acai bowls and all other kinds of stuff, but I really like their acai bowls, so I got one of those, and now I'm just gonna go home, do some work, and then prepare for the Renaissance Dome. So I'll see you in a few.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Say hi to the vlog. Come here. You only want me to touch you when I'm giving you loves. Only when I'm giving you lovins. Hi. How you doing? Okay, I totally forgot to mention this, but yesterday I was taking out my mini twist and it took me a couple of hours to do. So I was sitting in this chair, which is a recliner, because I still wanted to like watch TV. And so just pretend like this is the chair, it reclines. And so the chair was out reclined and I had like my stuff here so I can comb my hair. And I was sitting on the chair with my legs open, so that was probably like 5 or 6 hours of sitting down on the chair in that position. Well, I get up to go take a shower, go to bed, and my right side in my like hip groin area is completely, it doesn't even feel like I worked out or I'm sore. It feels like I pulled something. Like, it really feels like I pulled something. I've been limping all day. Even like when I make sudden movements and stuff like that, it still feels like I'm tugging at something. So I went to the laser hair removal place, and the director, like I told you earlier, she's super, super, super nice. And she's like, oh, we can get you in today if you have availability. I was like, girl, I cannot do today. Like, I can barely open my legs. And she's like, where do you have it? Like, what's paining you? And so I told her it was like in my hip. And so she pulls out this oil and was like, go to the bathroom, rub the oil on that area, like massage the oil on that area. The oil was like a mix of like camphor, nutmeg, lavender, and like some other things. It smelled amazing. My leg does feel a little better. And this is just a reminder that I'm an old people's. I need to stretch. I need to walk. I need to do some kind of physical activity because there is no reason. I was a little embarrassed to say, oh, I was taking out my hair, so that's why I'm sore. Ciao. It wasn't even like I was working out, doing Pilates, running, jumping at the gym. I wasn't doing anything. She's like, did you work out? No, I didn't. And that was very embarrassing for me. So I'm going to start going to the gym so that I don't have any more of these issues. Yeah. So I put mini twists in my hair on September 27th. It's now November 30th, so it's time to take them out. It's been 2 months officially. I have washed my hair. Mind your business. And if I didn't, mind your business. So it's time to, it's time. I've got myself in a pickle because I'm about to take off maybe about this much of hair. Let me find it. This right here is a knot. This is hair I'm about to sacrifice because I took it out wrong and it's more of a problem now. Bye, little one. Do you see how much hair that is? That's this amount of hair. Bye. Hair to me will grow back. It's so crazy because look at shrinkage. Watch shrinkage. Shrinkage would have you believing my hair is this short because I put water in it. When in actuality, my shrinkage goes bananas. What? I have one more. You look nice. What are you coming here for?
Where you then? I'm a bathroom of the virgin. You don't have your own bathroom for stuff like this.
No.
You're reaching out the bathroom and just antagonize things, you know. You just spread your ears and all.
I'm gonna pick it up when I'm done.
No, you're not supposed to use it on top. Yours are not enough to use the bathroom on top.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm done. Woo! Maybe to my fault, we are late, but we're going now. Beyonce said, let's give some kind of visuals, okay?
Thank God you record. We're doing good. We're going what I just did.
So we just got back from watching Renaissance, a film by Beyonce, and it was great. I'm really glad I went to the concert, not because the film was not great, but because I was able to reflect on my experience at the concert. I don't even want to call it a concert. It was more of a production, Renaissance World production. And I was able to reflect on just the energy of the crowd, the energy in the room at the time. I really enjoyed the segment where she talked about Blue, and also the segment where she talked about just family and also womanhood. It was really touching. The film, it just reflects on just various aspects, and it's all pieced together so well with the performances. Even though some of the performances don't seem relevant to what she has previously alluded to or will be alluding to, they just fit so well. Just her talking about womanhood and being a mother and being just gaslit and having to fight, you know, 10 times harder in the industry as being a woman. Just her ability to be a boss ass bitch. Like, it's very inspiring. When there's certain people like that in the world who really not just care about their craft, but Beyonce really cares about the process. And there are a lot of people who I really admire. Kobe Bryant is one of them, who really cares about the process. And you don't find that in a lot of people, and it's very hard as humans, I feel like, to even feel like you enjoy the process. So that's something that is from beginning to end, it's process. It's the beginning of the show to the end of the show, from the perspective of a viewer watching the show, and also the perspective of someone who is putting together the show, directing the show, working the show, filming the show. Like, it's honestly a beautiful film. I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Vlogmas. Bye.